Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get free Wi-Fi anywhere, anytime. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for wifimap.io. Here you can see the option of Wi-Fi map, all your connectivity needs in one place. You have to press on this. Now enter your city. Here you'll find different type of free Wi-Fi. You have to select one of them. Now press on show password. After pressing on show password, you'll find this option. You just have to download this Wi-Fi map app. After downloading this app, you'll be able to use free Wi-Fi anywhere, anytime. So this is how you can get free Wi-Fi anywhere, anytime. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.